Japanese becomes so much easier once you understand the basic sounds. And guess what? You already learned the vowels. So today, we unlock all hiragana sounds, the entire system, in the most simple and fun way possible. Welcome back to Byte Nihongo. If you're learning Japanese from zero, you're in the right place. Let's build your pronunciation step by step. First, a super quick recap. Japanese has only 5 vowels. A, I, U, E, O. These vowels never change their sound. Everything else is built by adding consonants in front of them. Think of Japanese like Lego blocks. You take a consonant, you attach a vowel, and boom, you get a new sound.
No confusing exceptions.
No messy rules. Just clean, simple pronunciation. Let's start with the K group. Just combine K plus the vowel.
Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko.
Nice and crisp, like English K, but lighter. Try saying them with me once more.
Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko.
Next is the S group.
Sa, shi, s, se, so.
Important.
She is she, not si.
Don't worry, you'll get used to it very quickly.
Let's repeat. Sa, she, su, se, so.
The T group works the same way, with a couple of fun exceptions.
Ta, chi, tsu, te, to.
Once more.
Ta, chi, su, te, to. This one is chi, and this is su.
Like the TS in cats, but smoother. Next is the easiest one, the N group.
Na, ni, nu, ne, no.
Once more.
Na, ni, nu, ne, no.
Super clean, super natural. Now the H group, which includes one very famous sound.
Ha, hi, fu, he, ho.
Once more.
Ha, hi, fu, he, ho.
Important.
Fu is not foo, with strong lips. It's a light mix between foo and hu, very gentle. The M group is exactly what you expect.
Ma, mi, mu, me, mo.
Once more.
Ma, mi, mu, me, mo.
The Y group has only 3.
Ya, yu, yo.
Once more.
Ya, yu, yo.
The Japanese are special. It's light, between R, L, and a soft D.
Ra, ri, ru, re, ro.
Once more.
Ra, ri, ru, re, ro.
Don't force your tongue. Relax it, tap lightly, and you'll get it. And finally, the tiny W group.
Wa, o, u.
Once more.
Wa, o, u.
And, of course, the special one.
Mm.
Once more.
Mm.
This is the only standalone consonant in Japanese. And that's it. You can now pronounce every single hiragana sound. Japanese seems big, but once you see the patterns, it becomes simple and logical. Next time, we'll start combining these sounds into real words. If you're enjoying the series, hit like and subscribe, and let's keep learning together.